Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Indian-style cucumber pickle. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, then move on to the straightforward preparation process. You'll learn how to combine aromatic spices with fresh cucumbers to create a tangy and flavorful condiment. This guide will help you achieve a perfect pickle every time, ready to enjoy with your meals. Let's get started on this exciting culinary journey. To begin our Indian cucumber pickle, you'll need about 500 grams of fresh, firm cucumbers. These are crucial for a crisp texture. Next, prepare your spice blend, including 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. You'll also need about 1/4 cup of mustard oil for that authentic taste, and a similar amount of vinegar or lemon juice for the tangy pickling base. Don't forget salt and a pinch of asafoetida. The preparation is quite simple. First, wash and slice your cucumbers into uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch thick. Lightly salt these slices and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This helps draw out excess water. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and temper your spices until they become fragrant. Add the drained cucumber slices to the pan, along with the vinegar or lemon juice. Cook everything briefly for about 5 minutes, until the cucumbers are just tender crisp, not mushy. For the perfect Indian cucumber pickle, always choose fresh, firm cucumbers to avoid a soggy result. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to suit your palate. You can add more chili powder for extra heat or less for a milder flavor. Once prepared, store your delicious pickle in an airtight jar in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 2 weeks. For the best taste, allow the pickle to mature for at least 1 or 2 days before serving, as this truly enhances all the flavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.